Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, we will show you how to make yourself admin on Windows 10 so you can gain full control over your system settings and user permissions. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is the main access point where you can find apps, settings, and system tools on Windows 10. Step 2. Type Control Panel in the search bar and click Open. The Control Panel is a classic Windows tool that lets you manage user accounts, programs, and system settings easily. Step 3. Once the control panel opens, click on View By and select Small Icons. This option helps you see all available settings clearly without grouping them into categories. Step 4. Click on User Accounts. This section is where you can manage account types, passwords, and permissions for users on your computer. Step 5. Now click on Change Your Account Type. This option allows you to modify the level of access assigned to a user account. Step 6. Select your local account from the list. Make sure you choose the correct account that you want to give administrator rights to. Step 7. Choose Administrator. This setting gives your account full permission to install software, change system settings, and manage other users. Step 8. Click Change Account Type to apply the changes. Once confirmed, your account will now have administrator access on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.